Can't get the fucker.
Holy shit. Look at it, it's right here.
Come on, baby.
Look at where the top of that swirling is in your cornfield.
Look at all the junk, man. Shingles. Shingles.
Come on, you never might ever see this.
Quiet.
Look at that.
Don't scare her any worse.
That fucker is sweet.
It ain't getting sweet anymore.
The two of them in there?
There's two of them.
What's that? That's what I thought.
Yeah, there's two of them. They're twisting around each other. That fucker is huge. That's built.
Oh, that's right at us, man.
It is. Look at where the clouds are.
Oh, that ain't good. There's buildings in that now.
Yeah.
It's getting bigger.
It is.
That's right at us, man. It's just gonna go south of us.
Yep, it's turning hard now.
Come on, baby. Just go right around us.
Look at that.
Go up, get up. Holy, look at that. Oh, there's roofs.
Oh,
There's a house.
You guys better get downstairs.
Oh,
Get downstairs. Get downstairs.
Oh my God.
What's up? We're getting out of here.
that barn.
Stay away from that window, Razor. There's shit flying everywhere. Holy fucking A!
So suck that fucking farm up right there.
That's what I'm waiting to see, and then I'm going. Look at how big that fucker is. Oh my God.
He's sucking the neighbor's house up
Look
right
at,
now.
watch the barn. Watch the barn.
Holy fuck, man. We're gonna have to hold each other down.
There it goes.
Oh, the whole shed's going.
Holy shit!
Oh, our house.
This is a bad one, dude.
Come on, you guys.
That fucker old. Watch behind us. That house is old.
God damn, why didn't that fucking barn go? Son of a bitch!
What do you want? Go in the door. Can't check it, man.
Go check your truck.
What out?